Nope, it has to be sideways. Alright, you're fired from the camera work. But I'll take a video so we remember it for placement purposes. I don't know. That is massive kitchen space, really. That's our oven. Lay these bookshelves, right? I would just do a whole wall of books and then put your TV or whatever.
Those are pretty sturdy too.
Because
my D&D books are generally they're a little bit bigger actually.
So you can adjust.
Oh, these actually go pretty deep.
You can adjust them too. But what I would do is you get them secured to the wall in the house, and then you paint the wall behind it, so you have little pops of color, so it doesn't look like just a white.
You know what you could do even cooler?
Bookshelf.
You could do even cooler? You get a vinyl print of something cool, like your favorite
paint.
page.
A wallpaper.
And you go on the other side.
Doable. Pull the lever on the side.
There's a lever? There's buttons. What's happening, man? What's happening? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You would love this? Edward.
No, but have it be smaller and not have the seating. No, it had the chairs on it. This doesn't have the chairs. So you just have all your pots and pans storage down there. And you'd have to buy me prettier pots. Do you like this texture? I think I tried to decide if I wanted this texture on my doors or not the last go round. Huh?
Very farmy.
Well, isn't that my aesthetic according to HGTV?
I don't know. Farmhouse chic.
Farmhouse chic or whatever.
Little baby oven.
Reclaimed.
/convection oven. That's cute.
And then there's your real oven.
Oh, there's a real oven.
The burner. With the lighting in it. Yeah, but I don't know where we would put it.
What?
Enjoyed this kitchen aesthetic.
I do like this. It's not like it's particle board.
Bathroom to hold our clothes. Probably just a two-parter, really, I would say. Oh, that's the light. And that's the handle. Wah, wah. I like the lights that come on when you open the door. It's cool. Yeah, that would fit all of our clothes in our for our family laundry. This is a closet. Okay? It's huge. And like I don't own that much clothes. Our whole house doesn't own that much clothing.
We can put our kids in the closet.
I would make that into a bedroom. I don't know. Tiny house logic does not. Boxes that we could have the kids put their clothes in, and then we could just do like shelving. I don't like any of this other stuff really, but do shelving in our bathroom to keep everybody's clothes. But I really like those bins there.
But not to the level of some other people.
Have veggie balls and curry sauce, some rice, pilafy stuff, some veg, and ignore the beef tenderloin over here. I've been doing. I'm just taking random things and putting it in the basket in the hopes that I wouldn't know. Stop it. No, that's a sign for IKEA. Put it back. It's 29 bucks. That's, what are you doing? Stop it. I don't want that. Oh my gosh. This man. Go, no, take it out of the cart. I don't want that. That's fancy. What? I like that. Yes, it's a plant. I'm not buying the plant. Put it away. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know. I don't need the instructions. Or this one's cool. What is that? What did you do? Oh. Well, some ugly curtains that look like a burlap sack. And some finials for a curtain rod that we're not getting. That. Ooh, it's an IKEA couch for the dog. No, it doesn't fit in the bag. It doesn't. No. Dr. Seuss, right? Look, I know you're tired of being at IKEA, so you gotta stop. No more, dude. No more. What? No, I don't want. What even is that? You don't even. Thanks, GPS, for ruining my shot. The place that we went to their food truck. Remember that one time, and I had like cheesecake, and we got the. Whoa. Cheesecake. What'd you get?